I've discovered the secret to making super tasty chicken that restaurants don't want you to know. Start by cutting 300 g of chicken into small cubes and put it in a pan of boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. That's it. A little chicken cooked in boiling water will guarantee juiciness and flavor. Meanwhile, add 2 eggs and 100 milliliters of milk to a bowl and mix everything well. Let's give it that creaminess that makes all the difference. Then add 40 g of wheat flour, a tablespoon of yeast and mix again. This mixture will give our recipe an incredible lightness. Season with oregano to taste and mix. Oregano brings that irresistible aroma that everyone loves. Add 100 g of mozzarella cheese and then top with the chicken and mix. Who can resist melting cheese? This will make everything even tastier. Then transfer the ingredients to a serving dish and arrange. Let's make everything pretty for serving time. Once that's done, cut up a tomato on a board and then arrange the tomato slices on top of the ingredients on the platter. Look how the tomato will bring a vibrant color and freshness to our masterpiece. Top with mozzarella cheese to taste and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. The oven will work its magic and turn everything into a golden wonder. And here it is. Our sensational chicken cooked in boiling water is ready to be served, and it looks wonderful, doesn't it? Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page for more great tips like this. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.